Hello friends, this is Manak, your Bro. So today we will work on one of my projects which I have received just now. So there is a client and he has sent me this rough sketch, and this is actually basically a G+1 building. Okay, this ground floor, and this is the first floor of the building which he has sent, and he wants like almost exactly this type of building. So sometimes when mainly in the case of small residential buildings, you have to listen to the client, like well, how he wants it. So we'll try to just make the plan in AutoCAD, and we will design it in a STAAD.Pro, and if time permits in another video, perhaps we'll design it in Tekla Structural Designer 2 and compare the results. So let's get started from over here. So you can just if possible, I'll just keep this this link of this particular these two files in the description, so you can just have a for a practice, or you can also take a screenshot. I think to make this video high quality and take a screenshot, that's enough. Okay, so or if there is any material required for this, I'll just give it the link in the description. Okay, so this is the this plan, ground floor and first floor. So firstly we'll go to the ground floor here and we'll start working on the ground floor. So you can see most of the things he has done in feet. So uh, firstly we'll start with the feet, and then we'll convert it into meter. And because we STAAD.Pro or Tekla understands on the meter or so then we have to convert it into meter. So entire process we'll do. So we can take this, consider this as a live project, and practice for work. So let's get started. So I have opened AutoCAD. Normal AutoCAD unit settings are not done, and everything is remaining. So we'll start here. Basically, we'll just start with having a 100 scale here. So UN enter, and then precision, because I am working in meter. So precision of 000, because I'll be working in meter. So my units will be in your meters, right? And then I'll click on OK. So now. But it's this particular document is in this feet and inches, so I have to do it in inches. So I'll do UN enter, and then convert it into inches. So I'll do this architectural, and then inches, and then precision I like to keep 1/32. Gives some accuracy to you. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, then when this is done, and now I want to set my text, and go to annotate, and click on this, and then click on new, maybe T100, and font size you can take any font size which you want, and give the height of this text as generally we take 150 for 100 scale, 1.5 into 100, 150 so 150 if we just divide by 25, it's around 6 inches. So we can take 6 inches height here, and then just apply, and then close it. So in the dimensions, just click on the dimensions here, also new here, make this D100, and click on continue. And then first of all, go to primary units, and just make this architectural, make this 1/32 precision. And after that, go to your fit over the dimension line without header. Go to text, make sure you select the T100, everything will be selected automatically and aligned with dimension line. And symbols and arrows, these are okay. Lines, the symbols and arrows, you just need to adjust arrow size. Since you have the text size 6 inches, you can be 6 inches or maybe 5 inches, right? So just click on OK, and set current. And text also, whether we had done the set current or not, let us check. This, make this set current. So this is the thing you need to just do before starting the drawing. Now you can start the drawing, and if you want, you can always just have this in your uh, AutoCAD itself. Control plus C, and open the AutoCAD, and then Control plus V, and let's see here how much you need. Okay, auto on. Okay, this thing I have pasted in AutoCAD so that I can just work around properly here. So let us see what dimensions has he given for the entire thing. Whether it is given, okay, this is not clear. 34 feet, 47 feet. I think he means that entire building, 34 feet and 47 feet. So yeah, I think he means the entire building, 34 feet. This one, and this one is also 34 feet, and this one is your 44 feet, and this one is your 44 feet. So he means the entire building. So 34 into 44. This is what he means here. So let's do it. First of all, we'll just take here 34 feet, and then we need to increase the image because it's because of its size. I'll just move it, select it, M enter, then move it, then select it, and then SC enter, and then just give it a scale of maybe 8. Okay, I'll just take it down. Okay, so this is 34 feet, and here he wants this one as 44 feet. So 44 feet, enter, and again stick this line and just stick this line and match it with this and then do it. So let's see, and a little bit size will increase, approximately the same size as that was on my original plan. Okay, now it will be easy for me to see. So now we have this walls here and the plan here. You're having this, so we can have check the dimensions are okay or not. So you can see the dimension text are visible, 34 feet, and this one is your 44 feet. So this is okay, and then you can have the arrangement of the rooms. So we'll start from here, the arrangement of the rooms here. So first of all, he is telling that we have a 13.02. I don't know what that means. So let me go 13 feet. This bedroom and 13 by 14 bedroom. So if you want a 13 by 14 bedroom, first of all, you have to have a 125 mm 5-inch thick walls. So 5 inches thick walls you need to have in all directions first, and then you have this 13 feet and this 14 feet. So 13 feet, 13.2, I think he means 13 feet, this 2 inches or something like that. I think he means that. Yeah, he also written 13.2 here. So 13 feet 2 inches he means. Let's see. Let's do 13 feet 2 inches. 13 feet 2 inches from here. And then you have to give the wall, 5-inch wall. Okay. And then you have to give what he wants wide staircase. So 8-feet staircase he has given. Okay. So 8-feet staircase. Okay, let's give 8 feet. And then 5-inch wall, he has missed that. You have to give wall here. Staircase is going up. You need to give a wall here. Okay, he's telling that then I'll be left with 10 feet. Okay, let's see. So that's the thing. I'm gonna start with this, it's 11 feet. Even if I start with this, then it is 11 feet 2 inches. Okay, so the calculations have to say it's this is 10 feet according to him, and this will be 14 feet, but this is not 14 feet. See it, 11 feet 2 inches. Okay, so I may think he means 14 feet this direction and 10 feet plus open in this direction. Okay, so then it will be good. So let's see. Here we have here 13 feet 2 inches. We done already this one, and this one is your 14 feet 7 inches according to him. So let's give here uh, an offset of 14 feet 7 inches. Inches you don't need to mention because the unit is in inches. So and 5 enter, and then this. So I can see the dimension of the rooms here, and after the trimming, you can see this is the dimension. Just for checking, I can show you 14 feet 7 inches, and this is your uh, 13 feet 2 inches according to this. So it perfect staircase position. It's 8 feet, so it will be around 4 feet wide staircases. So staircase location is also cool, and this is obviously this one is obvious. This is 11 feet 2 inches. It's greater than what he had written. So uh, we are good with this all these things here. Now for the next thing, what you need to do is uh, this room. I think this room is the same width, and only the this length here. It is 13.1. It's 13 feet 1 inches. I hope that is 13 feet 1 inches. So 13 feet 1, 13 feet and 1 inch. Enter for space. I use space because it's comfortable. I always prefer right hand with my mouse and left hand with the keyboard. Okay. So again 5 inches from here. And here you can see that there a room has been provided here, which is not in the line of the staircase. So the length of the room is your 15 feet 2 inches. So uh, first of all, I'll use the trim command to just to get rid of this trim command from here. The upper part will automatically be get ridden off. And here we will give 13 feet 2 inches here. So enter 13 feet 2, enter. So this is 13 feet. So sorry, 15 feet 2 it was. Okay. Oh, enter 15 feet 2, enter, and then we have this here, and we have a 5-inch wall here. Okay, and this will won't continue in the bottom. So TR enter. I'm using the new AutoCAD version, so it's TR enter. And the older ones it will be TR double enter. Okay, so you can the trim command is also a bit different here. In the so okay, so this is the case here. It will go above, and corridor mentioned it's mentioned 4 feet corridor. Let's see 4 feet is there or not. It's not. I think it will be a problem. If 4 feet is there, so man has calculated perfectly. He has invested some time in doing his own house. So that's great actually. That's really good because he's making his house and he's invested time, just doing these things, and dimensions are almost perfect as you can see. Okay, so main problem in doing this work, small works, is that if you take payments from clients, most often taking them is very difficult. Following up and all this is very difficult. Whether it's in large projects, you have an agreement and all, so it's easier to get the payment also. But in large projects, you get the payment delayed. So that's the thing. But just balance out between small and large works if you're working as a freelance structural engineer, civil engineer. Okay, so things aside, this one bath, and kitchen, he has given here. Okay, we'll just look at them separately, or because this is not much, I think. This are in separation. Okay, let's see, check the dimension. This is 13 feet 1 inches and 13 feet 2 inches. Let's see if it is 13 feet 1 inches or not. Man, it is 14 feet 8 inches. So the man has more than what he expected. So it's good. And this one is also good here. So the main rooms, we have almost made the main rooms here. And here for the staircase portion, they're telling that, okay, my, whatever my, this landing portion will be after my columns. or beams. So if I have a 10-inch beam here, my landing will start from after that. So here we can make the this staircase, and then we can leave the space here. So let me consider a 3 feet, since we are having this staircase. So staircase we can have 4 feet, but if you have a 2-inch gap in between, then the total will be your 3 feet and 10 inches. Sorry, 7 feet and 10 inches. So if you 7 feet 10 inches, 3 feet 5 inches. So you need to have a 3 feet 5 inch your landing portion here also, because staircase minimum. Okay, 3 feet 5 inches, and this is the position for the staircase. Okay, I think there's something wrong here. Okay, it's 3 feet 5 inches, 3 feet 5 inch, 3 feet 6. Okay, it should be, wait, it's 8 feet. Okay, so let's take here, so it's 2 inches less. So we'll take here 3 feet 11 inches offset here, and from here and from here. So 2 inches will be left in between. You can check here, 2 inches is left in between. So it's okay. So here we'll keep some position for our your beam, landing beam. So keep 10 inches here, and after this 10 inches, we'll take an offset of what is the thing here, 3 feet 11 inches. So offset of 3 feet 11 inches will be taken from here actually. Okay, and landing can start from the beam, right? So EX, enter, and we will kind of join this and this also. So this is the mid landing. Here, enter mid landing portion, and here we need to have this, trim the portions which you don't need, and obviously these portions also. Which you don't need. So this is removed now. Now you can have the staircases. So if we have 10 feet rise, so there will be 20 steps, 10 steps in each directions. So we'll just go, and first of all, I'll just make sure I trim this, and then we'll go with the 20 steps, offset, enter, and 10-inch your tread. Okay, this one also I can trim. Now I can do it better. 10-inch tread. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So exactly 10 here. So now we can just copy this, sparing this one, and ortho is on, copy, and then just paste it here. So this is the case which we need here, and just close it, and also close it. So here this is done, and if you can check from here, okay, I think we have done a little bit wrong, because the stairs should start from there, I guess, or we have done right. You've done right, then you should start from here actually, not from there. Okay, just press, do it this, because I'll give a dot here later, and I'll join it separately. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is okay, and this is my this for the 10-inch one. So 10 steps we are there, and we are climbing here because we will be doing obviously clockwise, so it will be going like this. So after 2 feet 6 inches or the window sill level, the steps will not be visible. So 2 feet 6 inches, if you divide 2 feet 6 inches converted to inches, it will be 24 plus 6, 30. And 30 feet divided by your riser, and which is your 150 mm or 6 inches. If you divide 30 by 6, it will be 5. So uh, after 5 steps, everything will be dotted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from this step, everything will be dotted. So let's see what we have here. Here we don't have a one, dash dotted line here. Just load it. So dash space. Okay. Okay. This is too much. Let's take another one. Load this dash. We'll take ISO only dash. This is better. So MA match properties, and that's why you're given the line separately, that we can do this. You may also just give the letters here. So M, L, D. Now we didn't set the leader. So let's go ahead and set the leader first. And here just go to leaders and click on new, and maybe L100, and continue with the leader. Here go to content here and give this as T100. And after that, in the leader size, arrowhead size, in this, I think we'll do this as same as 5 inch, and click on OK. So set current and close. So go to home. Now click on escape and we'll use one MLD. So arrowhead symbol, you just do this like this, and here you can write a text. It goes to caps UP up. So this is the case here, and we'll close this one. And just use the trim command here. So here, so I'm going to tell you one thing, that all these projects that I'm doing, these are live projects. I haven't done this before, and making a video just to show you. I'm doing this project for the first time and sharing with you, because I believe that when you get practical knowledge, then only then you can it will be helpful for you also to work as a freelancer or work it as part-time, full-time, whatever you want. When you have the first-hand knowledge of actual things, not as an education, not a drill, with actual life project, then you can get better experience. That's why I share it with you. Otherwise, I can use templates and do this project very quickly. I make some videos of some of my projects, so that you can also have the experience of doing it. Okay, so now since this particular, after this staircase is 3 feet 11 inches, we have to 3 feet 11 inches here also. So 3 feet 11 here, and let's do it here up to here. This actually some less space will be left here. I think we might need to compromise on that. We can do that. First of all, let's see. Because we want a door here. I think, yeah, we want an opening or a door here. So we don't want that this less space is remaining here, right? So let's see how much space is remaining here. At least 2 feet 9 inch they are telling, and 3 feet less space. So I think we can manage here. I can just do this here, maybe 4 inches less, or yeah, 4 inches less. Now it will be around 3 feet 1 inches. So he wants 3.3 feet door. 3.3 feet door he wants. So will go more 2 inches to this direction to that is possible, not will not have much effect to enter. Okay, sorry, select this and click on move and 2 inches here. So since we have gone 2 inches, or the same landing size will maintain because it's not never keep it 5 inches here. So for this also we have keep it 5 inches. This is uh, currently this is what 11, right? So when you go 6 inches less, now it's 5. Okay, okay, right? Yeah, good. All good here. Just give the dimension of this. We'll start from here. Keep it 5 inches. So we're all good here. And now we'll just join this. And after joining this, so this is the staircase which is done here. And we'll just join this and then trim this portion out. Okay, the landing portions and the staircase portions here can give the dimension. So this is it. And then you have this, we'll be working on these rooms here. So here enter and 10. These are the rooms which we are having here. And okay, let's go for the, this smaller, this things like bedroom, bathroom and all. So this is a 7 feet into this 7 feet here. And this is what size anywhere given, what he wants. 2 feet 6 inch door, obviously. Think he has not given the size. He has given only 7 feet anywhere, any bathroom where. Okay, he's mentioned 4 feet. He's mentioned 4 feet here. He wants a 4 feet wide and 4 feet 4 into 7 bathroom. Okay, I prefer 4 feet 6 inches actually. Okay, let's give here 4 feet. So take an offset. Let's take 4 feet and bathrooms here. Bathrooms 4 feet and 7 feet. Inch walls, 5 inch walls, trims. Okay, okay. I could have done this along with this also, right? Right. Okay, let me just okay, I'll press Ctrl plus Z. Okay. And extend it up to here. EX center. It up to here. And here also we what you have this this is 4 feet all again. Set enter 4 feet. So there will be 5 inch wall. EX center. So this is the thing here, and we have this 7 feet. Then the 5 inch wall. And then just trim this. The new trim command does this. Older one, the older version, this will not be will not happen, right? But I'm doing that now. those who are using AutoCAD can understand what I'm talking about. So this is the toilets also. Let's make the door first, and why not? Door is 2 feet 6 inches, so 2 feet 6. So there is a lot of trims which need to be done. Step by step, you are learning, you can do by pausing the video. Okay, so here this bathroom is done for, and let us do this 3 feet 3 inches door here. So 3 feet 3 door once here and once here also. He's a simple person. He wants to simple design and he's clear what he wants. I like him. I like the person who has made the sketch. He in his head, like, he knows what he wants. And that's the thing. Many people don't know what they want. That's what I'm telling you. I like it. Really invested time in just making the sketch, and he knows. So I use the trim command and go shift and then do this. I like to use the trim command and go shift here like this. So now the trim command, new trim command, one advantage like this. If I just do this and do like this, and this back thing automatically disappears. Older versions it was not there. I love to use this feature. So this is the thing. This is the close and all which he wants, and then those are facing to each other, and then we have this another door which he wants here. I'll use the trim command to just use this, and let's see if this door is already done for there, and this is already done. And what is this for? So this, I think this was for toilet or something. This for this trim command, and I think, okay, did I miss? Then is a 5-inch here. No, this is the bottom of top. I think at top, right? So 14 feet 7 inches, which he wanted actually, it's less now by 5 inches. So I should just honor his request because I have done maybe a error here which I didn't want to. So like this, M enter, go above by 5 inches. Now his request should be correct here. Now even I am having this 5 inches extra here or not. I'm having this 5 inches extra. So if I want, I can increase the landing, but I'll not. I'll rather not increase the landing here. I'll keep it the same size. 3 feet 5 inches is enough for the landing. Okay. So I'll keep it. What is this? I'll delete this. Not required. Okay. So now I think check this dimension here. It's 13 feet 1 inches and it is now still more, still more. Let's check this if it has altered. Basically, if it's 3 feet 3 inches from here. So just use the trim command here. I think we're good. Bathrooms in this, all these are done. And here we are having what you're having. Okay, we are having bathroom here, same size, I think, which you want always. So what this is size is 4 feet and into 7 feet and 5 inches. So the door also, let's give the 2 feet 6 inches door. Trim. Okay, so this is okay, 14 feet. This actually the 44 feet which he has. Okay, I think we have done an error once again. Actually, this is the 44 feet which he wanted. And if this is okay, 13 feet 1 inches, he wanted 13 feet 1 inches. It's okay, I'll just adjust this. It's good. Now we have a little bit more space. It's around 15 feet. No problem in that. Okay, the garage space has increased, so no problem in that. Okay, so now I think we're good and we are ready for the next step. The next step, what we can do is we can put the columns here. So we'll just do here some columns and before putting the columns, I think we should also go and see the next floor because he has given some columns, but it will be better, judged if we just do the next floor as well. So I'm just taking the next floor diagram as well, and then we can uh, do and just copy this one, and in the AutoCAD, I'll just paste it here. I know the size now. No, what is in that? This is the next floor she has given. Now, before starting the next floor, let's see what anything we can do here. This basically all the furniture arrangements. So there are not any things which we need to do here besides the furniture arrangements. So okay, so I think only one thing which you can do here, because since the I think this size has increased now, and this size is 3 feet 11 inches, and this what we are having is 3 feet 5 inches, 5-inch wall. There is a wall here to 3 feet 3 inches. It is enough, I think. 3 feet 3 inches. If the person wants more, then we can increase more. Uh, I think 2 inches we can increase. So let's see how much space is left here. Keep it 8 inches. So I think we can increase here uh, 3 inches more. Let's do this. Okay, let's keep it in that way. Okay, so there is nothing here. I think we would like to add here. So the dimensions are okay, perfect, and whatever you wanted on the doors and windows and these things are remaining. We can do that, do it later. But here, let us see. First of all, we'll just copy this plan here to this portion, and the staircase portion will always remain the same, and this all the other portions will remain the same. Here, parents' bedroom. Okay, this may bedroom here, and here they have made a balcony of 4 feet wide balcony. Okay, they are climbing the staircase like this. Okay, it's interesting because if you uh, climb the staircase like this, it is anti-clockwise. It's not recommended, but they are doing it like this. Okay, it's okay. So it's okay to me. So they will get 4 feet balcony here. Let's start our work. They want a 4 feet balcony here. So let's give them a balcony, 4 feet. And they're done. EX enter. And select a new center, and then select this. Balcony has been provided to them. And to denote the balcony, I want to give a, so this balcony, I want to give a 3-inch for grill or something like that. I'm going to give a 3-inch here. Okay. So let's trim this, and this is the balcony, and it is 4 feet wide to denote it. Now come and keep it 9 inches. Okay, the full take 4 feet, right? 4 feet wide balcony here, and we are having this here is the landing. Obviously, we don't want this portion. There is a column here. We want this to be extended. So let's try this EX enter first, and then EX this one. This one we will just close it. Okay. Okay, so this is good. 4 feet wide balcony. And obviously, since we have balcony, we'll have doors, obviously. And these are the doors. Obviously, space can be manipulated after putting the columns here. So, okay, let's put the column to the first row, and we'll go to layer properties, and I'll go a new layer, and simply name column. I love red for columns. I don't know why. And take a maybe at the rate. Okay. 10-inch is 250. 12-inch is 300. Right. 12-inch is 300. So let's take a 12-inch columns. 12-inch comma 12. Don't write in, just press enter, and this will be now layer column, and I'll have a solid hatch here. H enter solid. This will be red. Okay, done. And this is in the layer column. Entire thing. Hatch is in layer. Hatch is in layer column. The outside also is in layer column. Hatch also. is a layer column. You can do this by layer also, the same color. Okay. So one of my columns is ready, and what I want to do is you always want to place it in two. Whenever you are placing two, both of them, you want to place it simultaneously. Okay, I placed one. Okay, polyline is selected, right? Or actually just okay, polyline is also selected. No worries in that. Select and then copy, and then I'll take this as my side, copy, and take it here, and just put it here. First one, and this one, just copy, and then take it and put it here. Okay, I have done it wrong, maybe. Okay, this is in the same line or what? Okay, that was an error. There was an error here. Okay, just okay, just I'll just select this EX enter and do this. What is this? This is only the thing. Select this and also select this and move it. So this particular error, I think we have to select correct here also. But here it is okay. Here it is along the same line. So no worries in that 44 bit, and it is seems it is along the same line. So okay, no worries in that. Okay, and then the next column here, copy, and before doing this, I just want to trim this. And here also, I want to trim this. I won't trim this, it has the dimension here. Okay. Okay, so this has been trimmed and all. So here also, I want to give the next set of columns. Now, for so far, it is according to him. If I think if anything is wrong, shift and deselect this. Then I can change the things here. Front row columns. Here you go. And the second row columns also, it will be along the same line, obviously. So we'll just copy here and then just carry forwards. Okay, not here. Next line, obviously. Move and again I have taken the wrong point to move. Select this once again, and this time I'll do it correctly. So it has been moved here, and okay, two rows, and the last row, these two I'm sure about how it's placed. It's okay for the last row, for the two further rows actually. Actually, not these, just these two, this three actually. Middle one, I am not sure why he has done like this. I'll just check and confirm. Okay, so I'll copy these three, and I might take this as my reference, and when I place it here, or not here, actually, I have to delete it later. Here and here. Okay, so this I have placed wrong. I have to delete this. See where I can have a shortcut. No shortcut will be. I'll just use the conventional method. Select and then delete, and then put this one. This one I think just move to that next room, because this room already has some space killed. So okay. So yeah, I'm sure about this. Only these two columns. I want to place it along the same line. Why he has done this, I don't know. So I think, yeah, he has done it for this because this is the you want to place it along the puja room. I think this, okay, this is fair. We want to place this column along the puja room. Otherwise, if I place it here, it will be, a beam which is very close to another beam. So I think, yeah, okay, it can be justified, but we'll do it, see it later. First of all, if this is done here, and we can, just to place the columns again here and see at least the first row. Okay, let's do it. Here, let's do the plan first, and then we'll place it. Here, the master bedroom is okay, and master bedroom doesn't include any toilet. I'm surprised. There is, it is a master bedroom. It's the parents' bedroom. Both the master bedroom and the parents' bedroom. Does it have any toilet here? Okay, okay. What they want is they want a separate urinal space. So you can see there is a Indian toilet here, squat toilet, gents urinal, and bath, bed, study, puja room. Okay, this, I think, some spiritual family because they don't want this toilet in the bedroom, and I think ground floor they want to rent. That's why they have put it with the this in every toilet in every floor. Okay, I can understand. Different client, different requirements. So just delete the this things from here. By the things I mean the kids, this these things. So here we'll have a good kitchen and dining hall, and in the dining hall, the beam will be at 13 feet 2 inches. So uh, here offset 13 feet 2. So I think I can just trim this, and I think we can just move it here. And then I think I can just join it here like this and trim this, and then delete this. Whatever this is, I'll delete this. So I have my actually 13 feet 2 inches here as desired, right? Okay, this is as desired. Okay, drawing hall, but obviously they want the entrance to here. This is interesting. They want the entrance to here and don't want this drawing room to have any door. Okay, okay, I kind of understand this. So I'll just select this, EX enter, do this, and join this, and maybe I'll give a leave a 4 feet space from here, and I'll trim this. For trimming, I think I have to do this, and then I'll trim it. Right now, it's according to his requirements. The drawing room, good old drawing room, 13 foot 2 inches into 31, 30 feet 1 inches as per his requirements. So this is okay as per his requirement, and then we have the then he wants the okay, the bathroom is 8 feet 6 inches, and he wants the kitchen to be in the same line as the bathrooms and urinal. That's interesting. I wouldn't have done that, but okay. It's his requirement. 8 feet 6 inches for the bathroom. Please, in the remaining space will be this, I think. Okay. 8 feet 6 inches for the bathrooms. 5-inch wall coming up, and first of all, I'll trim the portion which is not required. Okay, and this portion is also not required now. I think, yeah, this is not required. This one will be required for some reason. The reason will be this, and this one will not be required. Some puja room. You cannot keep toilet in the puja room. Delete this. Puja room is 8 feet 7 inches. So there are a spiritual family 8 feet 7 inches. Puja room 8 feet 7 inches of our beloved prayer space. Puja room. Just delete this. What am I doing? I'm just wasting time. 5 inches for the puja room. You don't give the 5 inches here, and puja room enters to that side. So just delete this. Okay, nice and good. So this will be there. Puja room, and now I understand why the column is like, and it is justified, I think. So we can do the column here, no problem. Okay, so let's complete this portion first. Mhm. So the kitchen here, um, in the mid there is an opening in the kitchen. So what I'll do, I think I can find the mid of the kitchen here easily. So here, if I just take what is the midpoint, this is the midpoint. So if I take, let's keep a 6 feet wide opening, or 6 feet is too much, right? Let's keep a 5 feet wide opening. So I'll keep 2 feet 6 inches on both sides. 5 feet wide opening is my choice. EX enter. Uh, then we'll have a trim command. This is my kitchen, and exactly how they desired. 8 feet 6 inches into this. What is this? 13 feet 1 inches. So 13 feet 1 inches is, and 13 feet 1 inches I don't need to give because it's already that side. Okay, it's no problem. And this is 8 feet 1 inches. This is the kitchen, and the living room. The living room, so what is dining room? Dining space, dining area, dining space, whatever you call it. It is here. Okay, you can do it later. Let's finish the bathrooms. So bathrooms are same. So 5 feet, 4 feet, and 4 feet 7. Then whatever is remaining, 5 and 4 will go, and then whatever is remaining. So I'll just be a little bit uh, clever here. Okay, forget it. So offset here. First offset is of 5 feet, 5 feet, and 5 feet. Okay, what happened? Okay, let's take 5 feet. Escape. 5 inch. 5 inch wall, and then your 4 feet. What happened? And I pressed escape too fast actually. Enter and then do it. Then you can press escape. Enter. 5 inch wall. Press escape. So let's see what is the dimension which is in the last toilet. It's 4 feet 5 inches. So what does it you did you want? You wanted 4 feet 2 inches. I think you can adjust, no problem in that. And you want a 3 feet balcony in the back side. I don't know for what reason, but okay, I'll give it to you. Okay, I think there is a road here, so set up your 3 feet, and then EX enter, EX enter, and then just join this, and yes, EX enter again. Just want to enhance this for my railings 3 inches, and just show him the 3 feet. You get a good 3 feet wide balcony here, and toilets toilets here, they are good. And you'll have a door here, so door one's in the first place he wants it. 2 feet 6. TR, enter. So doors are done here, and this is done. 4 feet, 5 feet. Toilets here, they are done here, and then we have our the study room, and then doors and all. So I think now we are in a position to get the columns here. So in the portions, but which is not required. Let's see anything need to be trimmed or not. Any intersections or something like this. So give a 5-inch wall here, proper 5-inch wall here. I can give here, I think. Let it stay like this. Here, like yeah. So here also I'll give a inch wall. He could have inch clear landing, then I will have. So let's see what they want here. 3 feet 6-inch door. I don't think they will get a 3 feet 6-inch door. I the column. What space we have? 3 feet 8 inches we have. Let's see. Okay, so now this is sure that we want it after whatever it is 8 feet 7 inches. So just for reference, I'm taking this. Copy. Okay. So this is my column positioning, and beams definitely we will join here. It will be very close. This particular column, I think lots of load will come in here because beam joints like this, it's too much close here. I can only thing which I can do in this type of thing, but they want this design, right? They want it bad because they want the puja room here. I increase the puja room by some portion and reduce the thing, and this load will be reduced. But let's see that we can decide after the design. Generally, structural point of view speaking, the column should be here. Little bit. What is the difference? What is the difference? Is not much difference. Only 1 feet difference. We just compromise on 1 feet for the bedroom, but I don't think they will. So there's no thing for that. Okay. So I'll just do select this and right click and we'll go select similar and shift and deselect this. And we have this base. Take this base as this one and just join it here, and columns are placed, and we can see. So once the columns are placed here, and then you can easily give the spacings for the doors here. The spacings here are done, and if you need to change the spacings as for the columns, it's the time. Now is the time to do it. As you can see, this spacing needs to be changed. You can see how much space the column has taken. 7-inch space the column has taken. So just move this by 7 inches and then trim it. And remaining, this doesn't affect this also. Just move it by 7 inches and then trim it. And then comes this. So now this is we want a 3-foot 6-inch door here. I don't think we can have that. Now we might have that door. No problem in that. Here also we'll. Now this can't happen. This column, if it comes here, then it won't happen. I'm doing the column in that side in this building, so it's better there to give more space. So I think this is okay. That one thing I've changed. This is okay. And here we'll get the door, no problem. And from here, this one, they want a 4-foot door here. So first of all, I'll just close this and this, if I can join J enter, and this, if I can join J enter, same line, join. And from the column, they want a 4-foot main door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this, enter 4 feet from here. Done. So 4-foot main door is given here. This is also 4-foot door. This is the drawing space. This is the kitchen, and these are the toilets. These are the main rooms. So this is done. Now, before starting the structural design, since the client has given me this plan, and I have made the diagram, so it's best that I present the conceptual plan to this one, whether it's okay, and then to proceed for the structural design, because after that we don't want to change the structural design once again, right? So what we'll do, we'll not insert any this doors, windows, or these blocks, but only we'll just make a rough conceptual plan just to show whether this is okay or not. 34 feet, and this one is okay. Okay. Title box. I can take a title box from a different project and then do it. So this one is this one is a bedroom, and the dimensions here. We'll give in one corner. Okay. This dimensions also. One toilet dimension I think give enough. So we'll write a text here, multi-line text I always prefer. Here we'll write bedroom, caps lock on bedroom, space there of bedroom, good bedroom in the middle, and this is another bedroom. So there is a door here. First of all, we have to do this like this, each center. Select this. Okay. This, select this, each center. Select this, and then it is not done. That's done. PR enter. With the door here. So I'll do this here, and I'll just double click and rename it. Ctrl plus A. Body door. Corridor, and I'll just show the length. What is my corridor width, and this will be my toilet. Dimensions are the same for my toilets. And my stuff here. The dimension, and just we will do it. Let's do this bedroom. This length I don't need to give. Already it has the same line. Let's give required. Give this dimension. No point repeating the dimensions. So this is okay, and this is okay, and this is another bedroom, and this is a car parking lot. Just try parking, car, bike, anything which you want, you can park here. Now for the staircase, what are the details you want? 3 feet 5 inches from here, and 3 feet 11 inches. This one is 8 feet. Good old 8 feet staircase which you wanted, and you have this thing as well. This is also 3 feet 5 inches. And what else you want? You have a good space of 3 feet 8 inches here. Okay, and parking. Obviously, vehicles will come through here, so just okay now. Okay, can just leave this. I don't think you need it. You can just keep it up to here, and then change the portion in this one. Okay. And maybe give a dotted line here. parking. Okay. So this clears the parking and all. So bedroom, toilet, this is done, corridor. And for the directions and all, I think I'll just take one of my old things for the table, because make the go and make the table take a lot of time now. Don't want that. This is what I'm talking about. This thing, just Ctrl plus C. And then here I just press Ctrl plus V. Make this. And I don't want this now, right now. Later. So let's change the date and give today's date here, 19th August 2022. And then it's build up area, just calculate and put it. And just name the client here, I can show you that. Okay. The client will give it. And here, just P this download. So you finally want anything, any changes which you want to be in this direction. And here in the direction one is also, you see the direction is mentioned here. So, yeah, direction is mentioned south. And this is north, south, and what is the direction? I'm interested in here, east. So, bottom is south, bottom is south, and the right is east. Two directions, two non-adjacent, adjacent direction. Non-adjacent directions you have, then you can do anything, right? West. Northwest, south, we're having this, and northwest, east, west, south, and let's also see the location here. Here in white, it's we'll just copy this. Going from the picture. And the location. Text. Just use the short form. Okay, this is okay, and the build-up area we'll have to calculate. Date is okay, derivation is 0.01, and the scale is 1:100 on that. Um, Client name, this one it was actually his earlier drawing. He had made some changes, so that was a approval drawing, and now we want some changes in the working drawing. Client So this is okay, and this is done. And okay, any dimensions which are missing, you have to check. 34 feet, 44 feet. This one, give this dimension also 3 feet. And deliver. This dimension should not be in the middle, I think. Rather, you can just have it here. Turn on the ortho and have it here, it will be better. Right? And the remaining details you can just add later. This also, if I have it here, I think it will be better. Less hodgepodge. Okay, no, this is better in the here. And here it will be 5 inches extra because I have not given any walls. Walls will be less space. This one, obviously after that you have to bring up the beam and all that will take what can build and all. So this is okay. So this is the case here. We want to remove this a little bit for better representation. I think this is all which you require for a conceptual plan, and the build up area is the one thing which is remaining. And what we'll do, we'll just use a polyline here, polyline, and use this polyline like this. Would have used a different color, that would be better, but so forgot where we started. I think this polyline. Let's move this. This polyline, li enter. So if you can get anything out of this, it's okay. Or else you can just close this and just select this and press Ctrl plus 1. You'll have the area here. Area, this is in square feet in bracket. You can see 1522.5, right? So it's 1522.5 square feet. This is the ground floor plan. Turn off the color line. This as well. Now I can copy this page. I can do this in layout as well, but some small projects, whatever. That's why I'm not doing. Do this one, and just copy this one to here. For the effect, if this is the same line, it's better. We'll try to put this in the same line. Okay, so it's the same line now. Now this, according to this was also just a moment. Okay, so let's skip the remaining things, remaining dimensions. So what is the written master bedroom without a toilet? That's the requirement. So no problem in that. Whatever the requirement is there. Just write master bedroom, and this is the balcony below. 4 feet already mentioned, so just write the balcony. This is also balcony, so not mirror. Select this, copy, and do this balcony here. Master bedroom, balcony, and this is parents' bedroom. And you can see there is a 3 feet door here. Okay, 3 feet door. Let's give it here. Let's take a line here first. I'll just take a line and And also I'll take a line from here to here, and I'll just give a 3 feet offset for this line, polyline hatch line. First one is selected, line. So escape and trim, 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 trim. Okay. 4 feet here also we mentioned the 4 feet. Oh, I had worked on this instead of this, so it's not proper. Okay, I have to do it again here. No problem in that. I'm working on this. I have to remember that. 3 feet. Trim. With this 4 feet. And here, just parents' bedroom. Parents' bedroom. The size of this parents' bedroom is already mentioned here. I'll rather just move it above. That's a little better, right? 15 feet is already there. And the next thing here, I know this is the kitchen. This is my kitchen here. Control plus A, KITCHEN, kitchen. And this is the, what is this? This is the living area, I think, dining, kitchen, and then dining. DINING, dining. And the dining, you have space. Let me show the space as well. 10 feet 8 inches. Here you have the space. This one I don't need to show. And let me just bring it here. Or I will do it here. So let's bring it here. Okay. Then you have the drawing room. So just control A, DRAWING, drawing. And the other room. For the puja, you need a 6 feet door. Okay. So you can have a 6 feet door here at the center. So I'll just try to denote the center here. Just I'll take a line here and I'll just take a center here, and first of all offset of 3 feet. Let me see, there's the middle, or okay, not middle actually. Okay, no problem. I'll do it here. Here, enter. So this is our main thing for which the beam is changed. Now puja room, beam location changed because of this puja room. It's important to the client, right? So the dimension, and this was 7 feet. This dimension I'll show here. Longer dimension I'll show here. What are the changes? And this is study room. Bed, air come study room. And you have access to balcony of your access to the balcony of from this study room, right? So, set of 3 feet here. Backslash study room, exactly what they wanted. Toilets. We also got different types of toilets here. This is the bath and ladies toilet. Yeah, how come this ladies toilet and gents toilet is same pan format, right? So I'll just write whatever they have written here. I'll write here bathroom. Maybe have a urinal. Then you have a toilet. Only urinal. So I write written here bathroom toilet. Okay. And that is our beloved balcony, which you all love to keep in our homes. Balcony. Keep it white balcony we are having. So this is a good man. He knows what he wants, and that's how we made his plan. And then we are simply going to print it. Okay, before that, one thing we nearly missed. Uh, what is FUI? There is there. I'm just going to take the polyline here and draw my polyline. Turn on the ortho. Will help you. Oh, that's good, right? Control plus one. See the area. 1726 square feet exactly. So how did it increase? So it was 1522, and then you increase here some square feet around this, and you increase some square feet to the back for the balconies. So it is this, and if you want to calculate like this, uh, normal calculation. Let's just cross check. Sometimes it's good to cross check things. Okay, this one is zero layer, so this zero layer, and also the current layer is also zero layer. Okay, so we just want to cross check things. This one is absolutely your this thing 34 into 44. So 34 into 44 is your 1496. So 1496, and you have this. This is your 3 feet wide. So you'll have this 34 into 44 plus 34 into 3. So it comes 1598. And this one, if you just take this one, if you just take this thing, this 14 feet, and this one is your 12 feet. So it is plus 4 into 14 plus 4 into 12, which comes as 1702 exact. So it is actually this 1702 square feet. I don't know why this is little bit. Okay, no. It is, then I have not added this. Actually, it should be correct. Control C. Not added this portion. This portion, it is, this is around 3 feet into 3 feet into 8 feet 10 inches. So it's plus 3 into 10 inches. If you just do it by calculator, uh, 10 by 12, it is 0.83. 3 into 8.83 comes as 1728. So 1728 it's coming. So it's accurate. Answer to set is okay. So this is the thing, dimensions. Any other thing which you need to mention here? Others to match properties. Correct them. This thing 3 feet 11 inches equal to go up. Here it goes. Goes here. Okay. Anything which else which you want to give? I think I want to give the rise and thread. I love to give the rise and thread. R is equals to 6 inch. T is equals to 10 inch. In the other thing as well. Let's write this. Good. So they have given anti-clockwise, I've given clockwise. I'll suggest to them that clockwise is better. Right hand support, less accidents. So it's better. So this is it, and then you need to print this. So Control plus P, select anything. I go with epoxy PDF reader because it's good, or you can just select, if you don't epoxy, you can just select AutoCAD this highest quality print PDF. So no problem with that. Then select the paper size. If you select A, then some things will come here, and among them you make sure select this A4, not A4 extra, A4 plus, just A4. Select the A4, and then select this window, and select this window first. Yeah, window selected, and then center the plot, portrait, right, and then just click on apply to layout. Don't have to set it again. For next time, if you need to redo this, just select window. It's okay. Preview. See the preview here. If you have any small errors, you can just see it in the preview itself. So just click on escape, and then click on OK. And here, just in that particular thing, Just to ground low plan. Click on save, and here just Ctrl plus P. Click on this window, and here we have a separate window. This is our this ground floor written here. So before that, I'll just fix the layout here. Select this and select this and portrait and everything, and then apply to layout. Layout is set. Let's see everything. Start from the ground front first floor thing. If anything is there, yeah, it's okay. And then just cancel. And then in this thing, we'll do here first floor in the place of ground, like FIRST first. Load build up area, and then press Ctrl plus P, and then click on OK. Then here, just first floor plan. Then I'll open the folder here of that particular thing. We'll check both the things. So if I have anything on, I'll just close this, and then I'll open both. So you have this plan, ground floor plan, and you have this. Okay, both the things, red first floor plan. So it's good practice to merge and send the file. So we'll just do here. Let's do here merge. I love PDF, and then do this merge ground plus to merge it. PDFs in merge. I have to compress this as well and send it to WhatsApp. Compress it and download the merged files. So G+1 plan, Mr. Okay, just go for everything caps. G+1 plan, Mr. B. Let me just save the document and then show the document folder. First look. So it's okay. Now we can send it. So after this client gives approval, then we'll go for the design in STAAD.Pro in the next part, and also if possible in the third part we'll do the design by Tekla Structural Designer and Combat Results. So that's it. Okay, bye bye.